In this video I'm going to show you how you can remove a green screen from a video in Clipchamp. So I'm making this video and I want to put like a YouTube subscribe animation on top of it. So I found this one on a royalty-free website. So, and as you can see here, we only see the animation on the top of a green screen. So I want to remove this green screen so this animation comes on top of this video. So the way to do this is to click on the video that you want to remove the green screen from. And then you want to go to this menu on the right here. And then you want to click the Effects tab. And then you want to scroll down to the option called Green Screen. And as you can see in here, we now have this subscribe animation on top of the video. So this is how to remove a green screen from a video in Clipchamp. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.